Hi, my name is Marissa Gonzalez. I'm in the Education and Training Career Cluster, and my pathway is Teaching and Training. Some things I learned in my pathway are how to interact with students, how to interact with parents, how to communicate effectively, how to make lesson plans, really things that gear towards teaching and interacting with students or children. A few certifications we can get within our pathway are CPR certifications during your sophomore year and then renew it during your senior year. And then once you get into the end of senior year, you can qualify to get your certificate to teach in the daycare setting. And then we also have the option to, throughout all 4 of the high school years, to work towards your associate in arts with a focus in teaching from Lee College. There are many different types of careers in this pathway. You can focus in teaching, where you teach any type of grade level, and then you can also aspire to be a counselor or a principal. And then we also have the opportunity to just get the experience to work with kids. If you don't want to work in the education field, you can also work as a corporate trainer. My pathway is really cool because in our academy we have our very own working lab where we can bring students in and work with them. We have our very own Promethean board. We have our very own reading nook where we can read to students. And we also partner with many different elementary schools around the Goose Creek area, where we bring the students in and teach them our very own lessons that we learned in our very own classroom. We also have many different types of desks that are adjustable for any type of student. In addition to having regular seats, we also have stools that can help students get their wiggles out. The last part of our lab is our manipulatives. We use these manipulatives to teach and work with different students and practice our different kinds of lessons. My advice that I would share with students thinking about this pathway is to just focus on something they love. They might feel like they need to teach a core subject such as reading or math, but really you can teach anywhere you want. Like for me, I'm going into music because I love music and I can help teach music. Another person might like to be working in the sports area and they can learn how to be a PE teacher. So I just think that focusing on something that you love and pursuing something that you love is the most important thing of all.